Hi everyone, my name is Anita and today I will be baking with you a lovely banana cake. The best time to do this is when you have bananas at home in abundance, and either you can keep them for a little bit longer or you just end up not eating them on the inside. They are not brown yet, but they're beautiful white. I mean, this is, look at the state of this. This is super brown, and this is actually what we exactly need for a banana bake. First of all, make sure that you wash your hands properly and clean the worktop. Then get your mixing bowls, your measuring cups and your ingredients ready. What we need to do before anything else is to preheat the oven to 175 Celsius degrees. Okay, so mashed bananas. Really soft bananas are best for this, like I said, otherwise it's quite tricky. There you go, just like a paste. And we put it in a mixing bowl. The next thing we are going to add is the melted butter. Gently pour it over and mix. I actually have a little bit left, so what I'm going to do with the leftover butter is to pour it into my pan and then use it to butter it. To measure correctly, make sure the flour domes up over the top and then level it off with the back of a spoon or your finger. Do this each time you measure. To make sure your cake rises evenly, mix the flour and the baking powder thoroughly. If your bananas are not as ripe as mine, add a little bit more sugar. Once you've added all the ingredients, gradually fold the flour mixture into the banana paste. So while we are waiting for the lovely bread to bake, it is time to clean up. So make sure that you don't leave this mess behind when you have when you do the dishes and clean the surfaces. Here you go. Now that all of the cleaning is done, we just have to wait for the cake. I hope you had fun and I hope you have a successful baking session. Please take photos. I will take a photo of my cake and then I will post it underneath this video, and I'd like to see all of yours, maybe some pictures of the process of how you made sure that you measured correctly. See you next time. Bye.